and it is showing in the file manager. And after is connected, you will see the option called OTG in the file manager. You want to connect OTG to your device, but you don't know how to connect OTG. Then this video is for you. Watch the full video. So you can see here I have taken my pen drive and card reader. So first connect the card reader or pen drive the OTG accessories. The OTG accessories will connect to the device because you can connect any card reader or pen drive to the mobile phone will help of these OTG accessories. Now now I will connect it to my device. Now if I show you my file manager, then here there is only internal storage. Now from here I will go to settings. Then from the settings click on the options called more connections. Here different device may have different names. Then you will find the OTG connection options name and run it on. Then you will enter the card reader or pen drive that you will have in the device. So now we'll enter my file manager and see if it is connected properly. If it is not connected properly even after everything is correct, then you should clear your accessories or pen drive or card reader and install it properly. Or if there is a lag connection somewhere, fix it properly. Because first of all, I don't see any kind of connection here. After reinstalling it, it is now connected and it is showing in the file manager. And after is connected, you will see the option called OTG in the file manager. And if you click here, you will see all the information and file of your card reader or pen drive. In this way, you can easily connect OTG to any device. How did you like this video? Please like and comment, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel and Facebook page to get such informative videos. Everyone stay well and stay healthy. Thank you very much.